Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting everything dialed for the tournament that starts tomorrow on Lake of the Ozarks. It's the 8th Open of the season, Bassmaster Open. And so got everything rigged yesterday. I didn't go out today. I had a pretty decent practice overall. I'm actually pretty stoked to get out there and go fishing because unlike most lakes in September, Lake of the Ozarks, it has a ton of fish that are really willing to bite. So, you know, it seemed like every day I could go out and just catch fish at will, you know, and you can't say that about everywhere. Usually September is a pretty tough month, as we saw at Watts Bar last week. But you know, this tournament, I feel pretty darn good about it. I'm doing exactly what I like to do, you know, covering a ton of water and fishing reaction baits, fishing shallow, fishing docks, and so I know that I'm going to be enjoying myself throughout the day. The biggest question is, am I going to get those key 4+ pound bites that seem pretty random to me? That's kind of like what I'm most concerned with is whether or not I can get some of those key bites and then get them in the boat. Obviously, Watts Bar, I had a hard time getting fish in the boat, lost a lot of key fish. This tournament, I feel like there's less things for me I think there's less opportunities to lose fish. You know, I'm not fishing laydowns, you know, not fishing real dense cover that's hard to get bass back. You know, docks are usually pretty easy depending on, you know, where you're casting your bait. So yeah, and you know, I was thinking, you know, I hate to like throw out weights, you know, predict what I think I can catch, but up until yesterday I thought that I could really realistically catch 13 or 14 pounds. But I wasn't, you know, with the opportunity to maybe get into the mid and high teens. But then I was able to finally find kind of a better bite pattern. Now, whether or not that works tomorrow, we'll find out. But I feel like I found a pattern that complements what I'm doing already, where I could catch some of those 4+ class fish, and got several bites doing it, shook all of them off. So I'm hoping that comes together and it's something that I don't have to like switch gears. I can just keep on going quick. And so after yesterday, I felt pretty solid about this tournament. But again, we got to go out there, execute, and adjust if necessary, because, you know, fish are fish, man. They'll change, you know, anytime they want. But conditions are going to be similar to what they were yesterday. I think we're expecting like 40% chance of rain, some scattered thunderstorms, cloudy in the afternoon. I think that's going to be perfect for what I want to do. I'm actually making a fairly long run, and just kind of working my way back. So that's another factor, you know, making a long run always has its inherent challenges and you know, there's a bunch of things that could go wrong when you're running a real long distance and you're just taking more time. So I'm interested to see what our boat, our flight is, and what time our check-in is in the afternoon. That is definitely going to be a factor at how, you know, I pace the day. But yeah, overall, I think it's going to be a fun tournament. And we're just going to have to hopefully get those, you know, 2.5, 2 3/4, 3 pound bite average, and hopefully catch a couple big ones each day. So anyways, guys, thanks for keeping up with me. I will do an update tomorrow. Hopefully I'm coming in with a high teens bag or something like that. Got a good solid bag. If not, rest assured I still had a good time out there. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, watch everything on bassmaster.com, Bass Track. I will try to update throughout the day, but where I'm going, not a lot of reception. So no promises there. If you see me with 0 midday, it's probably because I'm just not updating it. But anyways, thanks again. Trust the process, and I'm going to see you guys out on the water. Take care.